Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few days since I worked on this. I think as I already mentioned, I couldn't find anybody local who had this part in stock. So then I went online and I was going to have it, order it through Amazon, get it shipped quick and everything. And what ended up happening was, it was like $9 for, I would say it was like about $9 for the impulse line. And then I looked around and I found a listing for this kit made in China. Okay. And the kit, this cost me $19 shipped. Comes with a carburetor, which I don't think I need, but you know, because my Chinese carburetor that was on here was not that old. But now I'll have a spare carburetor. Another one of these wonderful fuel filters, which I thought had a problem, but turns out probably has nothing to do with my fuel filter. This, I believe, is a oil pickup filter. No, this is a spark plug. Cheap brand spark plug. Fuel line, which I don't need right now. The one I have in there is good. New air filter. Okay. New oil line. New oil pickup line. And oil strainer to go on the end inside the tank. And the impulse line that I need. So right now I'm just going to use this out of the kit. And then, what the heck? Would you get a load of this? I can't have that. Kids must have been down here playing around. Alright, so I'm going to install this new impulse line and we're going to give this another shot. Well, how do you like them apples? I noticed it was very wet with fuel right here at the base of this line, and I just found another tear in the line right there. I thought I changed this line just last year when I was doing all this other work. So I didn't think this was the original line. But it's got a little tear in it right there, so... Oh, good thing I got that kit, huh? Alright, so I decided to put the original carburetor back on because I know that's clean, and I'm just curious whether or not it'll run okay with that. I'm not crazy, I can tell you right off the bat, I'm not crazy with how much that new line kinks. That new fuel line, the Chinese one. It collapses and kinks right where it turns right there. I'm not too thrilled about that, but it is what it is. At least it doesn't have a tear in it like the one I just took out of there. Can you imagine that? A tear in the pickup line would allow it to suck air even if it tried to pull anything up. And the tear in the impulse line creates no impulse or drive to the fuel pump. So no wonder why I couldn't get this thing to start. And for anybody who thinks that that was my problem all along, that obviously couldn't have been the case, because if you've watched my series from the beginning, you know that I had this saw running at wide open throttle. I actually cut wood with this saw after putting in the Chinese kit, the Chinese cylinder and piston assembly the first time. I'm pretty sure it was, you know, a problem with the crankcase not being sealed correctly. We're going to find out. I should stop talking and get to trying to start this thing because it's getting dark again. Oh, I want to reset the carb settings to the low and the high mixture screws to that initial one full turn out position. doing the same exact thing as before I changed the impulse line. I'm gonna try one more thing. I put the new carburetor on, the one that I just got in. I give up.